Nothing ruins a morning routine faster than a foggy mirror or that lingering smell of damp mildew. I got tired of noisy, weak fans that just rattle without doing anything, so I bought the top 5 bathroom exhaust fans on the market and actually installed them. I wanted to hear how loud they really are and see which ones clear the air best. Here is what I found. Product number 1, the compact Brown New Tone. I started with this smaller Brown model and I immediately noticed how compact the housing is. It measures just over 7 inches, which made it super easy for me to handle when I was squeezing it into a tight ceiling spot. It's rated at 50 CFM, so when I turned it on in a small powder room, it cleared the air fine, but don't expect a hurricane. Sound-wise, it runs at 2 suns. It's not silent, you definitely know it's on, but it's not that annoying rattle you get from old contractor-grade fans. The installation was the highlight for me. The foldable mounting ears meant I didn't have to crawl into the attic or cut extra drywall. If you have a small half bath or just need a budget-friendly replacement that fits into a tiny footprint, this is a solid, reliable option that gets the job done. Product number 2, Brown Roomside Series. Stepping up the power, I installed this 80 CFM Brown unit next. The build quality feels a step up, and I really like the clean cover grille. It sits a bit off the ceiling and looks much more modern than the old vented styles. The biggest win here was the slide clip feature. I could snap the cover on and off without fighting with those annoying metal springs that always seem to pinch your fingers. Performance-wise, it's significantly quieter than the first one. At 1.5 suns, it's more of a background hum than a buzz. It cleared the steam from a hot shower in my mid-sized guest bath pretty quickly. Since it's designed for room-side installation, I could swap it out entirely from below without ever going into the attic. If you want a painless retrofit that looks sleek and keeps the noise down, this is a winner. Product number 3, Brown Roomside with LED. Since lighting is often an issue in bathrooms, I tested this version next, which is basically the previous fan but with a built-in LED. When I hooked it up, the light output was impressive. It's a 3500K temperature, so it's bright and neutral, not too blue, not too yellow. It claims to last 50,000 hours, so I'm not worried about changing bulbs anytime soon. It shares that same 80 CFM motor, so it handled moisture just as efficiently as the non-lit version. I really appreciated that I didn't have to cut a separate hole for a light fixture. It's a 2-in-1 solution. The casing is sturdy, and again, that no-cut installation saved me a ton of time. If your bathroom feels like a cave and you need to add ventilation and brightness in one go, this is the one I'd recommend. Product number 4, Panasonic Whisper Choice. Then I got my hands on this Panasonic, and the first thing that struck me was how incredibly thin it is. The housing is only about 3.5 inches deep, which is wild. I actually installed this one in a wall because it fits in 2x4 framing, which most fans can't do. It has a piquet flow switch right on the unit, so I could toggle between 50, 80, or 100 CFM. I set it to 100, and it was whisper quiet thanks to the DC motor. It also has this smart flow tech that ramps up speed if it senses static pressure in the duct, which basically means it fights through resistance to keep air moving. If you are dealing with shallow ceilings or need to mount a fan vertically in a wall, this is hands down the most versatile option I tested. Product number 5, Panasonic WhisperFit. Finally, I installed the Panasonic WhisperFit, which is designed specifically for replacing old fans without tearing up your ceiling. It comes with this Flexi Fast bracket that I absolutely loved. I could manipulate the bracket to fit the joist from below, then just slide the fan in. It took the frustration out of trying to center the fan in an existing hole. Like the previous Panasonic, it has the selector switch, but this one goes up to 110 CFM. When I cranked it up, it moved a serious amount of air, yet it stayed surprisingly quiet. It's a bit deeper than the slim model, so you need standard joist space, but for a renovation project where you don't want to do drywall repair, this bracket system makes it the easiest install of the bunch. So whether you need a tiny fan for a powder room or a high-powered unit for a master bath renovation, one of these will solve your moisture problems. I've dropped links to all 5 in the description so you can check the current pricing and specs for yourself. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.